I'm Jim Ouellette. Been in real estate for almost 35 years, and it was the best thing I ever did. And I used to work for an architect, drawing houses, but you work for peanuts. When you're working for other people, it's impossible to make any extra money. And so my friends were actually making these commission checks, selling yellow page ads. And I thought, that's kind of cool. You know, I mean, at that age of 23, you really don't know what you're doing or where you're headed. So for me, that commission check was exciting. They were making extra money the harder they were working, and I thought, I'd like that idea. You know, and in a way, when you're doing that, you're working for yourself. You know, so I thought, okay, what do I know that I could sell? And believe me, I was very shy when I first started. I was not afraid. That was the difference. You can be really shy, but as long as you're not afraid, then you can do anything. I thought, okay, what could I sell? I knew a little bit about houses because I was drawing houses. And so I called up a real estate company and went for an interview, and right away I was the #1 listing agent in the company. I would call every single expired listing on the real estate board. I worked my ass off, to be honest with you. I've actually been doing career seminars in real estate for probably 15 years. But this particular one that I'm doing right now, how to make $100,000 in your first year, I started doing that about 2 years ago. And but at the end of the day, that is very important. But the biggest reason why I do that is I want people to come in and learn from me. It's more getting in the right frame of mind, being in the right atmosphere, and that is one of the reasons why we hold this seminar at Royal LePage Signature, is that most companies, they want you working from home. We want you coming in. You're going to be around other people and learning from them. You'll learn much quicker and progress a lot faster and be way more productive in the initial going and give you confidence, and there's nothing like it. So to me, you have to pick the right office, and I'm hoping that I can help people do that. And that's one of the reasons why I do that seminar. More so than learning how to build a career, but about starting off properly. The biggest problem right now that a lot of realtors will struggle with, should they leave their job? That is the biggest issue. That to them is a huge risk. But I can tell you that if you don't take that risk, you won't reap the rewards. You've got to jump in and commit 110%. And if you do that, you will succeed. Pick the right office. You have to get some good support and people behind you to help you, and commit. There's no other way to do it. It's the best way.